In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to your Amazon account. Start by opening Amazon in any web browser on your computer. You can use Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're on the official Amazon website for your region and that the address bar shows a secure connection with the little lock icon. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an area that shows your account menu with a small drop-down arrow. Hover your mouse over that icon to reveal the menu, then click on Account. This takes you to your main account dashboard, where all the settings and preferences for your profile are organized. On the Account page, find and click Your Payments. This opens Amazon's digital wallet area, which lists any payment methods you've already added and gives you options to manage them. Here is where you can add, remove, or update cards for future purchases in a centralized, secure place. Next, click Add a Payment Method. You'll be brought to a form where you can enter your card information. Type in the card number exactly as it appears on your card, along with the full name on the card, the expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code. Take your time and double-check each field. Typos are the most common reason a card can't be added. You'll also see a section for billing address. Make sure the billing address matches whatever your bank has on file for that card. If your address is already saved in your Amazon account, you can select it. Otherwise, carefully enter it so everything lines up. As you fill in the details, remember to keep your information private and only enter it on the secure Amazon page. Amazon uses encryption to protect your data, and you should never share card numbers or security codes through messages or emails. When everything looks correct, the form will accept your details, and your card will appear in your payment methods list. If you run into an error, it usually helps to confirm the card number, verify the expiration date and security code, and ensure the billing address is accurate. Some banks also require that online transactions are enabled, so accuracy matters. That's it. You opened Amazon in your browser, hovered over the top right menu to find Account, clicked Your Payments, chose Add a Payment Method, and entered your card details. You're now ready to check out smoothly on your next order. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.